There is so much volatility in the crypto market right now, and when there is this kind of volatility, a lot of people make money, also a lot of people lose money. And what differentiates those that make money from those that lose money is the information available to them. So just recently, you can see that over $1 trillion has been liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. And all of us that are in the crypto space, we are seeing this happening. And what I want to share with you guys in this video is how you can make money even in a bear market. If the market is crashing, it is none of your business. Why? Because you are going to detach every form of emotion from your investment, and you're going to treat it more like a business. Once you begin to see the crypto space from that point of view, then you're going to make more money in this industry. I'm saying this because I have been in this space since 2015, so I've seen a lot of movement in the crypto market. I've seen the bull run of 2017, and I've seen the bear market of 2018. I've also seen the bull run of 2021, and I've seen the bear market of 2022, and now we are in 2025. History always repeats itself. So what I've learned over time is to detach my emotions from crypto, and that would help you to make more money. So whether your coin you believe in is going up, is mooning, or whether it is crashing, it is not going to be any of your business once you master what I'm going to show you in this video. And how are we able to do this? Once you can notice that the market is no longer stable, we are no longer in a certain move, we are not in a bull run, the best thing you're going to do is to convert your coins to USDT. Wait, it might sound stupid to you, but I have a point I'm trying to drive home. Once you convert your cryptos to USDT, then you are going to start trading in the direction of the market per day or per time. For example, there is this guy right here who had an insider information and longed $200 million and made over $8 million in one single trade. Now, this can be as a result of having an insider information that is not available to everyone out there. You can be able to have an idea or tap into this type of information by hanging around the people that move and shake the crypto industry, and you can find them on this platform, Twitter. It depends on the people that you are following and the type of information you are sucking up. And the way I'm able to make money in a bear market regardless of the direction of the market is to trade futures. And trading futures requires you to have information that is not always available out there. You need to be in the space where those information are being dropped ASAP. So you can see right here how Bitcoin jumped all the way from 82,000 to about 92,000 within few hours, and a few persons were able to cash on this. And guess what? Prior to this time, the market has been in a downward trend, and that is how so many people were liquidated at this point. Immediately this happened, I already know that this is going to follow suit. So I was just waiting for the market to show me a good signal of a downward trend, and I was going to short the market. So immediately I saw this big move here, this big candle, I entered for a short. That was how I was able to cash in some profit. Now, the point I'm trying to make in this video is that you don't have to attach your emotions to your coins. Let's say you believe in XRP, or you believe in SUI, you believe in Solana and all those kind of things. The best thing I do is that I just buy these things at the price that I know I am okay with, and with the funds that I don't need to take in the next 2 to 3 to 4 years time. I'm going to be able to wait patiently for it. That is how you do spot trading. That is how you buy over a long period of time. But those funds that you know that you're going to be needing anytime soon, I rather put them in USDT when the market is no longer stable or when the market is now in a bear trend. And what I'm going to be doing going forward will now be to come on futures trading and look out for opportunities for either a quick buy or a quick sell. You're going to lose some money at the end of the day in the process, but if you apply proper risk management, then you're most likely going to make more money over time. And depending on the community where you are hanging around and the type of information that is available to you. And that is why I want to invite you to join my crypto community, where we give out insider information that you would not hear anywhere else. Okay, so you can check the link in the description of the video to be able to join my private community. And if you would love to use this platform that I'm recommending to you guys, which I've been using over time and I can trust it, you also find the link in the video to be able to sign up. And I've done a tutorial on how to use this particular platform, so just check around this video. I'm also going to drop the link to that tutorial, or check my channel, you will see that video. So right now, I still believe that crypto is still in a bullish trend for the year. There is a lot of manipulation that is going on. In fact, we've been manipulated more than 2 or 3 times in this period, and you need to learn your lessons. Now look at this post right here. Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas allocates 70% of his portfolio to Bitcoin, and that 70% is 70% of 5.8 billion. So if these guys are buying Bitcoin, they are going big on Bitcoin, then there is something that you might not be seeing that they are saying. So what I would do is that the funds that I'm willing to leave for a long period of time, let's say 4 years, 5 years, I would always dollar cost average in buying Bitcoin. Once I see those dips, I buy more. Once I see another dip, I buy more. People that cry are people that always FOMO in, fear of missing out. So you always want to see, whenever the market is going up, that is when you want to jump in, and then before you know it, you're already in losses. And remember the golden rule: you've not actually lost until you sell at a loss. So think about it. 4 years ago, people that bought Bitcoin when it was $50,000, and later it went up to $70,000 and then came down to $30,000. Right now that it is sitting at $80,000, are they in profit? That is one thing you need to ask yourself. So the money you are investing into cryptocurrency, can you leave it there for the next 4 years? If you cannot leave it there for the next 4 years, then you should be doing short-term trading, which is to trade with futures. And that is the way you can be able to detach your emotions from the market. So whether the market is going up, you're going to make money. Whether the market is going down, you're going to make money. When people are crying about their bag, it is not your business. It is none of your business. So the funds you should leave in the coins that you believe in are monies that you can leave them there for the next 4-5 years without feeling it, without having the need to touch it or anything like that. That is what it means to hold for life. So guys, let me know your own strategy on how you're investing into crypto, and if you are finding this video valuable, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So until I come my way next time, keep winning. I'll see you in my next video.